Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If 4x negative y equals to 2 over 3, what is the value of 81 raised to the power of 3x over 27 raised to the power of y? Okay, using this information, we have to evaluate the value of this expression, that is 81 to the power of 3x divided by 27 to the power of y. Okay, when I consider the base over here in numerator and base over here in denominator, both 81 and 27 are the powers of 3. That is, 81 can be written as 3 to the 4th power, and the same exponent can be taken out here. So because 3 to the 4th power equals to 81, so we can check it. 3 to the 4th power means we have to multiply 3 by itself for 4 times. So because we have the exponent 4, 3 times is 9, 9 times is 27, 27 times is 81. So 81 can be written as 3 to the 4th power, and whatever exponent we have for 81, the same is taken out here. And also 27 is also the power of 3, that is 27 can be written as 3 to the 3rd power. That is the value of 3 to the 3rd power equals to 27, and whatever exponent we have for 27, the same exponent can be taken out here. Okay, here we have base 3 and exponent 4, and for the complete stuff we have exponent 3x. Whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents using the power of a power rule in exponents. Okay, now let me multiply this 4 and 3x. 4 times x is 12x. Okay, let me do the same thing over here in denominator. That is, we can multiply these two exponents. When I multiply 3 and y, I'm getting 3y. Okay, here we divide two terms with the same base, 3. Whenever we divide two terms with the same base, what we can do is we can take the base ones and we have to subtract the exponents using the coefficient rule of exponents. Okay, let me write the coefficient rule of exponents, that is a to the mth power divided by a to the nth power. Here we divide two terms with the same base a. Let's take the base ones, let's subtract the exponents, then I'm getting m negative n. Okay, now we can use this coefficient rule over here for this one. Then let me take this base 3 ones, let's subtract the two exponents, then I'm getting 12x negative 3y. Okay, now consider this expression we have over here at the exponent 12x negative 3y. What's the greatest common divisor for 12x and 3y? That is 3. Since 3 is the greatest common divisor for this 12x and this negative 3y, we can factor 3 out. If 3 is factored out, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms over here by the one I factored, that is 3. When I divide 12x by 3, I am getting 4x. When I divide this negative 3y by 3, I am just getting negative y. Okay, here we have value for this 4x negative y. 4x negative y equals to 2/3. So we can plug in this 2/3 for this 4x negative y. Then I'm getting 3 to the power of 3 times. For this one, we can plug in 2/3. Let me write it. Then this 3 will cancel out. Then we get 3 square. So we know that the value of 3 square is 9. Okay, now I got the value of this expression. Its value is 9. We find 9 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.